Hello, welcome to Camping and Outdoor Stuff. I'm Snert. What we're going to have a look at today is the Petromax FS48 and the FS56. The 48 and the 56 are based on centimetres, the diameter of the Firebowl and griddle. They do a third one, which is a 36, I think. But stand to be corrected on that. Let's open them up though and see what's in the boxes. And for those of you at home who like to know, I'm using this Victorinox Swiss Army knife. And they even send you a free sparkle from wood to water. So inside, this is an FS38, there's the other size that's on there, FS38 to 56. Those are the three sizes. So, wrapped in nice greasy paper by the feel of it. So, it's got two handles underneath, three connections there for the legs. We'll put those on. Which are also wrapped. Screw those into the bottom. Now you can, if you were putting this over an open campfire, Petromax actually sell an extension to the leg, so you can increase the leg length by a further 9 inches, so you can stand it higher at the campfire rather than standing in the roaring flames. So there's one. Let's get rid of the box out of the way. Cut that out. So if you were you can put that straight over a campfire and cook on it like a griddle. If you don't have a campfire or you can't light a fire in the ground, you can use the second one. You use the first one to put your campfire in, and you stand the second one on top and cook on the upper one. So a little bit of that. Fasten the legs on. Now something I was hoping that Petromax would have put a hole in the bottom with an additional thread in, so that the fact that I bought two of them means that if I wanted to cook over an open fire with one, that I could use the legs as the extension legs, therefore saving me buying another set of legs. So there we go, a bit of a mod for you there, Petromax. This is going to North Wales next weekend and it's going to get shown, it'll be on a video, we'll do some cooking on it in the middle of a campsite in the hills of North Wales. So this is the second one. So you can light your fire in the bottom one when it's on the ground. Keeps the fire off the grass, stops the grass from burning. Some campsites don't like that, you're burning the ground. And you can use the top one as a cooker, use it as a griddle. Good breakfast on there, as you've probably seen people cooking bacon, sausages, eggs, etc. and having a good outdoor breakfast. So the next time you see these, it'll be lit. I'm going to light it fire on this one in a minute. The next time you see these, we'll be in North Wales and we're going to cook on them.